Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, let's take a look at the updated Ethereum chart, and we take a look at the video here from the 24th of May, just to give you an idea of where we were. Yesterday I had a comment of someone who told me I'm always too late to tell people that the price is dropping. I always want the price to drop, it's always too late. Well, obviously that person didn't missed all my videos for the last 6 months, but that aside, let's take a look at what I said on the 24th of May. Might still here be in the on the Ethereum chart in the wave D. Yeah, this so far also has not been invalidated, and that in the next move we would expect actually a wave E to the upside, which however could be quite short, right? It would be just the last leg up before this triangle would break to the downside. That is currently how I see this. I think with Ethereum, it might be lagging a little bit behind Bitcoin. It might be lagging a little bit behind, I think, some other cryptos which might have already finished their wave 4. As per my video explanations for all of these. And yeah, Ethereum currently looks like to me it could still be in the in that triangle here, in that A, B, C, D, E triangle, yeah, with the wave E still to come. We might just be in the process of finishing the wave D off before we still see a little bit of a recovery in a wave E, before we will then exit the triangle to the downside. That is what normally would happen. Okay, let's take a look at what happened in this triangle. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, because I forgot. Oh yeah, let's take a look. Oh yeah, we actually did move a little bit higher in that wave E, and then came down and broke out of the triangle to the downside. So this warning was absolutely hopefully helpful for many people. And again, this is just what we see here on the chart at the moment. This could change at any time. Yeah, we could see invalidations occur, but at the moment this actually seems to be very, very valid. And yeah, what do we see now specifically? So there are a few very, very interesting things that are currently happening here on the chart. Very interesting, and I want to point them out because there are a few ways how we can count this overall. Yeah, this move down, and depending on how we count this, it will determine how low Ethereum will eventually go. And how we count this? Again, there are two alternatives I'm looking at. I can't give you an answer now which one will be the correct one, unfortunately. They are both pointing in the same direction, but each of them have different severity for the next low for Ethereum. So let's actually take a look. So first of all, I can count all of this, what we've done here, yeah, as a 5-wave move. So while I have indicated here in yellow 1, 2, let's just forget about that briefly. I'll take it out for now, because we can count all of this. So basically we peaked here in this wave E and this wave 4 high, and then we moved down. But we can, I mean, this is still the case. Yeah, I won't change that. But we can count all of this here as an impulsive move down in a wave 1, a wave 2 to the upside. I think I showed you this count already yesterday or something. Then a wave 3 down, a wave 4 up. Even though that wave 4 moved up quite high, it didn't invalidate that whole wave count, because it didn't get into the price region of the wave 1. It didn't move above $1,930 US. I think that was the invalidation point I also mentioned to you, and that we moved down here in a wave 5 down. Yeah, so with this low here, with this one or with this one, theoretically Ethereum could have already completed the overall correction now. Yeah, I'm telling you that because Ethereum yesterday, not on Binance unfortunately, but so you can see that low here of the wave 3, yeah, from the 12th of May. Here on Binance it was just below $1,700. So let's actually take a look at some other charts. For example here, Bitstamp. So on the Bitstamp chart, for example, I think it made just about a lower low, or it came exactly to that level from the 12th of May. And that is the problem that you get sometimes with some of these exchanges. Let's take a look at Coinbase. No, one second, not Ethereum, Coinbase. But that's the problem that you sometimes get with some of these exchanges. They don't always have the same price information, not exactly. And here also it came down to the same level. And because it came down to exactly the same level, theoretically, that wave 5 could be in. I've seen, I can't remember which exchange it was. I saw an exchange where actually it made a slightly lower low compared to that wave 3 low. Yeah, so maybe check Kraken, but no, also here not. But yeah, you know, and that is what we're looking at here. So the wave 5 could theoretically be in, the low could theoretically be in. For that, we would now need to see bullish confirmation and the way up. But really, I don't really think that is the case yet. It could, this 5-wave move could just complete a wave 1 down, for example. Yeah, that is certainly my primary expectation, that here we've seen this in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that this, with this low here at $1,717, we've completed a wave 1. That is how I had labeled it before here with a wave 1 in yellow. So put that on the chart. That's how I see it here, a wave 1 that we then moved up in a wave 2. That wave 2 doesn't necessarily need to be finished yet. We could still move a little bit higher in that wave 2, and that is just, you know, where we just need to see if that swing high here gets broken above 1820, then it certainly could move even higher here in a wave 2. Absolutely possible. Yeah, absolutely possible. So if this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, then we would expect in a next move, and you know, only if that 1820 doesn't get broken, a wave 3 down below 1820. If the 1820 gets broken, we expect a little bit of a move up and then down. Yeah, because then the wave 2 would just retrace a little bit higher. You've got the wave 3 already indicated here. That would then be a wave 3, the next one. Where would that wave 3 land? Let's just take a look. That would actually go down quite a lot. Let's be honest, it would go down quite a lot. All the way down to, well, let's say if the wave 3 is only the 100% extension of the wave 1, then the low for the wave 3 would be at $1,520, which would suggest you still get a wave 4 up and another wave a wave 5 down, which could land pretty much in the region that I already indicated before, all the way down to $1,200. I did say that before. However, what often happens is that the wave 3 is the 1.618 multiple of the wave 1. In that case, we would already get down in the wave 3 to $1,300. Then you get wave 4 up and the wave 5 down. But again, the wave 5 still wouldn't need to go lower, but it would then still have a higher likelihood to go actually a bit lower. Yeah, because the wave 3 already lands lower. So this scenario, what I have on the chart here, would actually lead to a more severe outcome for Ethereum, a lower price. If we count it as a wave 1, a wave 2 up, yeah, and then a wave 3 down. So we can count it also in a way that actually where the wave 1 is here, that this is a wave 3, yeah. And if this is a wave 3, then this would have been a wave 4, and the next leg down would already be the wave 5 that would finish off the correction. So it's a bit confusing, I understand that, but we now need to see confirmation first. How high will the wave, in this scenario here, the wave 2 retrace? If it retraces much higher, not a problem. It shouldn't get really above 1930 ideally. From there, and I would expect another leg down. Unfortunately, we won't know until we see how long the next wave down will retrace, what the most likely outcome is. But in all cases, even though I might expect some short-term upside here in a possibly extended wave 2 if we break 1820 to the upside, in all scenarios at the moment I would expect lower prices still, even though theoretically, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, Ethereum could have the low already in. But this is for me the most unlikely outcome. I still think this wave count is the most valid one. A wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, next is the wave 3 down. But for that, the price would need to reverse quickly down. The then most likely second alternative is that the wave 2 here just hasn't finished yet, and we would move down up a little bit further before we come down. So just here we need a bit more patience to really see. What we need to see here is a breakout below $1,700 or above 1820, and then we know which one it is. At the moment, we're just in a range here and just need to wait for a breakout. That is where we are here with Ethereum. So hopefully you like the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership and maybe even the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.